it's me, Lily. Hi, Lilies. So, let's go on a bike ride, shall we? Let's go. Yeah, let's go. So we're outside, and yeah. So, hi, you guys. Oh my god, the camera might be wiggling a lot. That is because I am holding the camera, and I only have one arm. Okay. I had to pause the video because there was people right there. So yeah. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys later. Bye, Lily. So I'm inside now. Okay, so I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. Ta ta for now. Bye, Lily.